This is Novo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. Bud, how's it?
Good on you.
Good, thank you. How do you feel about the game today?
To be quite honest, we lost, but I feel happy about the game because we dominated Sundowns. We show them football. We show them Italian football.
Yeah.
I like the way Nabi is doing to the boys. I'm so happy.
Yeah.
To be quite honest, yes, we lost, but I'm so happy. The way never dominated Ebola, the way they were sharing passes,
Yeah.
Ebola, assisting one another. But I feel like first half, Omart,
Yeah.
Uslekisile. That's when those people dominated us for that 10 minutes, Nyana. And then they come to us and then they score those two goals. But overall, Chiefs won the goal, they won the game.
Yeah.
I mean to say by ball position, and I'm happy. On my side.
I'm happy that you are happy because sometimes losing it's very painful, especially when you are supporting Kaizer Chiefs. But then with the play, it shows that going forward to the next game, you're gonna at least contain yourself and win the game.
For me, this is not a sad lose. It's a happy lose. Cause I feel, overall, ngibone ukuthi we can dominate from the previous game. Ne?
Yeah.
Okay, let me take it back to the previous game. Amazon.
Amazulu, yeah.
We lost the game second half, but we won overall.
Yeah.
Here we won the game overall.
90 minutes, yeah.
90 minutes,
Yeah.
but we lost.
Yeah.
That's football.
That's football,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's football.
Yeah, it's very
But
painful.
for me,
Yeah.
it shows that we're going forward. We're going forward.
Yeah.
I'm not expecting anything this season on my side,
Yeah.
but we're building towards good things. We're cooking very nice things.
So do you think Kaizer Chiefs management made a good decision by bringing Nabi in?
By appointing Nabi,
Yeah.
very good decision. Very good. It's the best decision.
Yeah.
And the entire
Technical team, yeah.
technical team. Yeah, when that bench, it's
Yeah.
so warm. For me,
Beautiful.
I'm very amazed.
No, thank you so much, my brother.
Uh,
All the best in future.
thank you.